Wow, I hit my pedal. Now I don't actually know where I'm going. Welcome to For the Love of Mountain Bike, or FTL of MTB. I am Edward, and today we have another video from my time in North Carolina. This is Fire Mountain at the Cherokee Indian Reservation. It's an absolutely amazing ride, and I'm excited for you guys to see this video. Thank you so much. I'm not quite sure that this is the top, but I'm going to take this trail down here down. It is beautiful out here. Birds are screaming, singing away. Oh, okay, right here. Oh yeah, so the Raven's Nest, Dropkick Woody, Launch Pad. All right, Neotech Rhythm, Ukatina. Again, this is Fire Mountain. I'm sure I will absolutely love it. This place is beautiful. Birds are singing. I met a buddy yesterday at Kanuga. He told me about this place that just opened in December. And man, am I happy he did. We're about 3,000 feet elevation at the start. So nothing too crazy, but a lot more than where I'm from. I love rock gardens. Whew. Man, the weather is gorgeous. Still a little cold. I'm in a long sleeve. Probably about 50 degrees. 55 maybe. This place is awesome. I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice, but just the smells, the way it looks, it's amazing. We are really in the mountains. Again, this is in the Cherokee Nation. And I thank them. Wow, I hit my pedal. Some drop. Oh, that's gorgeous. A little mud it looks like down there, but it looks awesome. Now I heard there are some trees down on the trail today. I'm not sure where. So we're gonna be steadily looking out. This is tight for a two-way trail. Bridge. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like that. A little mud, definitely right there. A little uphill, it looks like, a punch up. I think I'm in 7th gear, not too high of a gear, because again, not really going too fast, never been on these trails. But this is, so far I really like this place. Big fan. This is tight, tacky, but these are honestly just nice cruising trails. I would say this is about anybody could ride this trail. It's beautiful. Do not let the tight and tacky worry you. Ooh, water. Oh, I'm in 7th gear still. I was a little too high for that, but it's okay. Apparently, it's going to be a couple uphill punches, it looks like. I'm going to shift down to 5th gear. Should be able to go up just about anything. Still, as long as it's not too long. This red dirt is just amazing. That's a sweet skinny. My brakes are messed up. But it's okay. Let everybody know I'm coming. Hey. Now I don't actually know where I'm going. See if I can pronounce these. I am terrible at pronouncing anything. Oh, Tinker's Dream Trail. This one has a tree down, actually. I've heard that. A bridge. Ooh, a pretty bridge at that. Oh. A little bit of a hard shift. Didn't realize we were going back up. back there. I'm assuming these reconnect, and it does not. So we don't want to come out miles away in a place we've never been. We will have to turn around. So it turned out I went the wrong direction, so we will have to backtrack. Quite a bit of climbing up and figure out where we went wrong. Whew. This is the way I need to go. Oops. That was Fire Mountain. So this has been my trip to North Carolina. I did Canoga Bike Park, which was absolutely amazing. Then I just came down to Fire Mountain, the Cherokee Nation. It was absolutely a great time. I suggest both of them. This place is definitely worth checking out. Just mind you, it's free, absolutely awesome. And did a little bit of truck camping to stay out here, and it was totally worth it. I got to head home, 17-hour drive. Great time. Please like and subscribe to the video and support me loving nature.